Hello and welcome to another update video about Ethereum. Ethereum is on its way higher. As it seems, it's already turned around in the support area I shared earlier today with you. The idea is still that Ether could be pushing higher here in this fifth wave of a larger first wave. So the idea is that this fifth wave, which is the last wave in this 5-wave cycle of wave 1, is not yet complete. It can still push a little higher. Yes, expectations have been fulfilled. You could say the minimum expectations of this 5-wave move have now been fulfilled, given that we have broken above the third wave high. But so far, the price has been holding that support. Okay, we haven't broken back below the previous highs, and it is, I think, reasonable to expect a little bit further upside from here. As I mentioned to you earlier today, the ideal next Fibonacci target would be the $2,220 level. That's the next key level. Then we've got 2,279 and 2,377. And along the way, I will give you the relevant support levels, micro support levels. The last one here did hold as well, basically a trend reversal point. So the idea is that a larger degree fourth wave completed on the 17th of November. You will know that if you watched the videos over the last few weeks and months. This here could have been an A wave, yeah, A, B, C in wave A. Then here the pullback in wave B, and then this C wave is ideally a 5-wave move. There are other ways how this can be viewed, this structure, okay? There are other ways how this can be viewed, but I am very happy here currently with this wave 5 as an ABC structure, which assumes that the entire move that started in October is basically a diagonal, okay? I would actually have to take this out then. You can see this as an impulse, but you can also see this as a diagonal. So both scenarios are possible, and I might make a few tiny changes here along the way. Okay, so maybe at some point we have to go back to an impulse, but yeah. If this is an impulse, so the entire move, I mean, that started in October, then the last wave up here would anyway be a diagonal. It would then be a 5-wave move, but it would be still made up of corrective structures. So at the moment, the view is that we are in this C wave, which could be impulsive, yeah. And in this C wave, we completed a small wave 1, a wave 2. We're now in circle wave 3, yeah. That might actually reach that $2,220 level. Then we should still get a 4-5 pattern to complete all of this. My ideal target range has been mentioned, or I've mentioned it as 2,200 plus to get this wave 5 complete, and I think we might get there. We already reached 2,185, and it seems to me as if the price, yeah, wants to start wave 5 of this smaller wave 3 now. I shared with you earlier today here this support area. Might have completed as some kind of a triangle, but probably rather just a normal ABC structure. It's a bit hard to say. The idea is that, again, you know, very often I say that a wave 4 typically retraces to the 38.2 retracement level, and that level was reached. Let's double check. Was it maybe a triangle? It could have been a triangle, even though A, B, C, D. Yeah, it could have been a triangle. Today, in our member live stream, you can always watch the recording as a member. In the member live stream, we covered the topic of trading Elliott Wave triangles. Yeah, and I shared one strategy where it is reasonable to enter at the end of the C wave of the triangle. So, you know, if you're interested, check out the membership. You can watch all these recordings. But the idea would be, oh, that's too big. 1 second. I just need to change the microstructure. Wave degree. So here, yeah. So the idea would be if you have a triangle like that, A, B, C, D, and E, that it can be reasonable to enter at the end of the C wave, okay, with a stop maybe below the low of the C or even the low of the A, even though that was quite far down. That would have worked out nicely. So it's all about having different strategies for triangle trading. But either way, you can sort of just simply scale into these support areas as well. Now we just need to see, okay, is this already wave 5? I mean, this will really only be confirmed if we get a break above the B wave high at 2,177. Until then, this could also become an extended triangle. Yeah, could become an extended, this could, for example, still be wave D as long as we're not above that level. And then the E wave could come a little later. That's also a possibility, okay? You cannot control this, but it is possible that the wave 4 is already in. So I'll take the micro count out again. It's just too dynamic. But yeah, just want to share that with you. And, if we are now in this wave 5 of 3, I mean, what would be a target? A bit hard to say. I mean, this is really just sort of micro counting here. But what we could do is based on that. There are two levels to watch, in my opinion, 2,190 and 2,215 for this third. But yeah, that's just really micro counting or nano counting, you could say. So don't put too much emphasis on it. Rather focus on the bigger picture. Far more rewarding. So yeah, I don't think there is much more to add. It would take a break below, first of all, 2,139, but then also 2,095 and $2,072 to confirm or indicate that something different is going on here. Okay, that's my update about ETH. I hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership. Also make sure that you follow us on Instagram and Twitter, and you can find the links for those in the video description. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye-bye.